Want to grow your Discord server and bring in new members? Generating the perfect invite link is key, and today we'll show you how to do it right. First, open your Discord server. On the left-hand side, you'll see your server name. At the very top, click on that to open the server menu. In this menu, find and click on Server Settings. This will take you to the administrative panel for your server. Once in Server Settings, look for the Invites option in the left-hand sidebar. Click on that. Here, you'll see any existing invites. To create a new one, click the prominent Create Invite button, usually found at the top. Now, you have several powerful options to customize your invite link. Let's break them down. By default, invite links last for 7 days and have no usage limit, but you can change this. Click on Edit Invite Link. You'll see an option to set an expiration for your invite. You can choose from 30 minutes, 1 hour, 3 hours, 6 hours, 12 hours, or 24 hours. This is great for time-sensitive events or promotions. Next, you can set a max number of uses. This limits how many times your invite link can be used. You can set it to have unlimited uses or choose a specific number, like 10, 50, or 100. This is perfect for controlling the growth of your server. For even more control, you can enable temporary membership. When a user joins with this type of invite, they'll have a limited time before they're automatically removed from the server, unless they're assigned a role. This is excellent for trial periods or special events. Once you've set your desired options, click the Create Invite button again. Your unique invite link will be generated. You can then click the Copy button to grab it. Now you can share this link wherever you want to invite new members to your Discord server, with full control over its validity and usage.